Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, we're going to be playing a game. The game is Twilio Quest, and it's an educational game, if I should say. And you can learn how to contribute to open source while playing this game. Or you can also learn JavaScript or Python while playing this game. So for this video, I'm going to be focusing on the open source track. So feel free to check this out if you want any help or any hints with this game. So this game also has a leaderboard. So if you top the leaderboard, so there are some amazing prizes like KCNA vouchers, there are one-on-one mentorships and some Twilio swags as well. So you can feel free to check this out and play this game and share your views. Alright, so it's very easy to play. You have to just go to the website mentioned in the description and download this game, and then you can just install it and just open it. Okay, then this screen will appear, and then what we have to do is, okay, so this game has a whole Mario kind of vibe to it and it's pretty awesome. Okay, so press spacebar to start. Okay, so let's enter our name here. My name is Sanskar. Okay, you can select our avatar. Like this one. Yeah, that's nice. Okay. Okay, you can move it through the button down arrow keys. Press spacebar. Okay, what next? Okay, it has opened. With this hacking tool, I should be able to hack the terminal. Controlling the laser barrier in this room. To hack an object, walk up to it. And I think press spacebar. Spacebar. Once you obtain the hacking tool, you will be able to find a secret passcode. Passcode available. Okay. The passcode is level up. Quick hack. Hacking success. I think this is Ryan. There should be a fire extinguisher in the storage room. It will be inside a red chest. With all the station security going haywire, you may need to hack the chest first. Okay. So I need to hack the chest. Okay. So I need to save this guy. Press the spacebar. Okay. Inside this chest is a fire. Okay. True or false? Okay. I have to play a game. Software you install on a computer can potentially access your files and personal data files. That is true. True or false? Code samples you copy, paste, and run from the internet cannot harm your computer. False. True or false? It is always safe to keep passwords, emails, and other personal data in code files. That's also false. Hacking. This random person, and he'll be able to save, I think, my. Okay, it wasn't equipped. I had to keep it pressed for a long time. Who are you? Yeah, please help me first. Go. Fog out, here we come. I should be able to use this to travel to different cloud platforms. Okay. Yeah, makes sense. Hello. Okay, to his left. I'm sorry. Okay. So where should we go? So there are 4 destinations here: the Forest of Open Source, the Pythonic Temple, API Academy, JavaScript Test Lab. Wow, I mean, this is good stuff. Okay, the Forest of Open Source is our first destination, as I'm going to be focusing on open source in this series, if I should call it. I hope to make it a series. I hope to launch these videos weekly, if not twice a week. Weekly for sure. Let's see how long I can continue this, and also make sure to like, share, and subscribe and follow along, and let's see how long we can continue with this.